In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go view a few scenarios. So for example, as you can see here, I'm connected. However, if I'm going to go here in Google, you can see that I really cannot enter any website. I can't search as of the moment, and this is a huge problem. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to fix this one. It's going to be very easy. So the first thing that we're going to do is just open the network settings here. If you are not able to access this one, you can just go over and type here network. So you should be able to see here Ethernet settings. Go ahead and click that, or the network status also. Whichever is going to be okay, it's going to redirect you here anyways. Now from here, what we are going to do is look for change adapter options. You should be able to see it here down below. If not, you should be able to see it here on the right side. Now go ahead and click that one over there, and you should be redirected here. Now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and look for a few things. Again, we're fixing the Ethernet, so I'm going to head over here. And as you can see, it's unidentified network. I'm going to go ahead and double click this one right here and then open the properties. Once you are in the properties, go ahead and open Internet Protocol version 4. Go ahead and double click that one. And from here, just go ahead and try to obtain IP address automatically. If you see numbers here, it should be gone. Now hit OK. And hit OK. Now in my case, you can see it working. It says here internet ready. However, say for example it doesn't work for you guys, here's another thing that you can do. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and double click or click this one right here. Make sure that it is blue. If it is gray like this one, it's most likely disabled. So in my case, as you can see here, my Wi-Fi is disabled. My Ethernet, however, is definitely on. So yeah, from here, go ahead and try to click diagnose this connection, and you should be able to see here an option or a reason why it is not working. And then you can just go ahead and try to follow the prompt here, read what is being said here, and then it's going to give you an option or a solution. Now, another thing that we can do is basically reset our network. So to do that, you can just head over down below and you should be able to see network reset. If you don't see that, just close this one and then type here network reset, and you should be able to see it here. So there you go. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and click the reset now and then hit the yes button right here. And then what's going to happen is it's going to shut you down. So this is going to be the effect after trying to reset this one. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and then you're going to go ahead and restart this one in order for it to work. So I'm going to go ahead and be back. Alright, so here I am after resetting that one. As you can see now, my internet is back right here. So yep, that is basically how you are going to fix this problem. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.